Today we're going to look at how we can write the equation of tangent lines. And for our example, we're looking at the equation of the line tangent to y is equal to 3x to the fourth plus 2x plus 4 at x equals 1. This is just a random example I came up with to help us understand the concept. And if you just give me 2 minutes of your time, I promise you'll see how easy this is. But what do we have to do to find the equation of the tangent line? We're going to need a few things first. We're going to ask ourselves, what's x equal to? What's y equal to? And what is our slope? What is m equal to? Now we're given x, so we know that x is equal to 1. And we can solve for y by just plugging 1 into the equation that we're given, right? So we'll do y is equal to 3 times 1 to the fourth plus 2 times 1 plus 4. Now we can further simplify this to y is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 4. And that's just going to be equal to 9. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So now we have y equals 9, and we need to find m. How do we do this? Well, all we have to do is take the derivative of y. So y prime, power rule, is equal to 12x cubed. Then the constant multiple rule, so plus 2x, the derivative of that is 2. And then the derivative of any constant, in our case 4, is 0. So this is our derivative, but we need to still evaluate it at x equals 1. So let's do that. Y prime is equal to 12 times 1 cubed plus 2. That's just y equals 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. So we have our m. We answered our questions, and you might be asking yourself, well, we found x, y, and m, and we still don't have an equation of a tangent line. Well, I'm getting there. All we have to do is use point-slope formula, that thing we learned in, I think it was Algebra 2. If you don't remember, here's what the equation was. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is why we found our y, m, and x, or in this case, our y1 and x1. And we're just going to plug these into our equation, and we'll find the equation of the tangent line. So when we do that, we get y minus, that looks like an a, but it's 9. Here, let me just make the line a little longer. Y is equal to 9. Y minus 9 is equal to m is 14, times x minus x1, our x1 is just 1. Then when we evaluate this, we get y minus 9 is equal to 14x minus 14. And when we add 9 to both sides of the equation, we get that y is equal to 14x, and then negative 14 plus 9, that's just going to be equal to negative 5. And that's the equation of our tangent line. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something.